So today we're gonna play the airplane story 4, right? You see that? Yeah, and yeah, there's a lot of people here. Okay, whatever. Where's our? I want to go to first class. Oh my god. And
follow if you like
gate C is like, and gate B is subscribe, and gate A is comment.
Oh yeah.
Or do all. Gate A is do all. So let's go to do all, right? Can you hear me? Let's go do all.
Where do we go?
Do all.
Wait.
Why do I have a? No! Bro, why did I teleport? Okay, I don't know how to cut. So, yeah. Gotta join her again. Girl, are you serious right now?
Okay, fine. We're gonna get A.
Wait for me! No, gate A!
I didn't take it off. Kuya.
Can I sip?
I didn't play.
You know what, Ata? Look at this. It's my first time. I'm just joking. Okay, it's starting, guys. It's starting, right? Ata, it's starting. And yeah.
It's starting.
Yeah, it's starting. Yeah, she's right. It's starting. You've joined Elsa Princess. airplane4, one last flight. One last flight. Last? Badge of water. Are you serious right now?
We're going to Hawaii.
Hawaii. Wakey wakey eggs and bakey. I'm not waking up. Don't tell me you forgot. It's the big day. What big day, Dad? Let me remind you. You're flying to.
The llamas. Get down here.
No. Hurry up. Hurry up, sisters. Ata, come here. Dad, where's Mom? And why is this chair so big? I'm gonna kiss you, Dad. Your baggage. My baggage is right here.
Start making burgers. I will start hurry up.
I really want to go to the trip. What are we going to do?
I don't even remember
Where's my
my
clothes?
clothes are.
Edgar! Okay, here is what are we gonna do We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing. Ata, hurry up! Let me go! There's only 30 seconds!
I can see Dad.
How can we do this, Ate? Where? Oh yeah. Oh good. There's. Okay guys, time to start packing
Let's go.
this item. Okay, this item is not at the room. This item is not here. That's it? Bro, that's it? Only one? Bro, that's so hilarious. This item. Okay, I've seen that before. Ah!
There's still shoes? It's still shoes? Boys. Mine is still shoes. I'm sitting on the couch doing nothing.
Okay, whatever, I found it.
And mine
Ah! Okay. Okay, that, I found that, I think at the boys' room. Yep.
Guys, yeah, we're talking. We're packing. We're almost done.
Look.
I think we're done.
Yeah, I think we're done.
I packed both shoes and no t-shirt.
Same.
And the luggage.
My bag is here. Okay, burgers are almost ready. Almost ready.
I don't want to get that. I don't want to get.
Why is it locked? Yay, swimming pool. Oh, I think this is for feet.
Why is this burnt?
Yo, what's the roof, Dad? I want to sit beside you. Bro, are we just gonna sit here, Dad? Yay, burgers ready.
Why is he flipping all the pans?
Who wants burgers? Me!
Me. I do.
I'm so hungry. Alright. No! Yes.
Yeah? Huh?
Fake news. Hello everyone. We're back on Bloxia State News. Oh, it's the radio. Earlier this month, Earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the. What? I did stop. Can you imagine saving a plane? However, the president said it's in okay, whatever. The police warns everyone in Roblox Loxia to be careful. Report anything that could be useful. I don't wanna eat my burger. I want to save my burger. Why I am the youngest at the family? See, I'm so young. See why I am the youngest at the family, Ate? You're the oldest. Why I am the youngest at the family? Why I'm still holding my burger? Where's his dad? Where's his dad?
We have to eat our burger in the control.
What is this? The
We
airport?
have to eat our burger. We have to eat our burger. We're gonna fly.
Oh yeah. Or else we're gonna. Wow, Dad is right there. Dad is so slow.
Go ahead, eat it.
I'm done. The garage? Wait for it. Open up! Open up!
You have a burger hand. Good night, Mommy. You're very own small plane.
What the? This is so embarrassing.
Just run.
We got to fly the airport to catch another plane. That's funny. Those are a lot more fun than walking. Of course, Dad. Now we can lose or lost. Plane, grab a seat. My plane's at the back because I'm the youngest.
My plane is at the front.
Yeah. Honey, you go now? Does our dad not have a car? Wow.
Yeah.
Bro, wow. Bro, wow. We'll have to find out.
Careful with the obstacles.
Okay, let's go now. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
I hate this. No.
Wait, how to do it?
Why this?
I hate this. I don't want to crash. No, I hate this one. No!
No.
I am so high up. I hate this. Why did Dad let this? Oh my God, we're not even a superhero. My health is so, oh my God. I hate this. Look at my health. I'm so angry at you, Dad. No, that's not perfect. Look at my health. I forgot to tell you. Flying over that shortcut is illegal. Why did you make us? Hopefully nobody saw you. Bro, the airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. Follow Dad. This way. I'm the mom.
You're small.
Yeah, I'm so small. I'm the youngest, okay? I'm the youngest, okay? Look. You're, you're going to prison. Bye. Wow. Let's cross the street. Yay. Ah! Oh my god, that was so close. I was literally hurrying. Attention everyone. Flight 761. What the flip? What the flip? That's our flight. Oh my god. Wait, is that you? Sauce! Check. I don't know what is going on. Give me my ticket. I'm the youngest. Hey, I'm the youngest. Oh, we can go inside. Where's the ticket? How can we get our ticket? Bro.
I already did it.
Same, I already did it too. Why is my health like this? Why is my health so low? Yo, hammer, what's that?
I did.
Same. Same, I dropped my baggage here. I pick it up and I just stay here and the baggage is gone. I need, oh my god. Dad. Whoa. Dad, you're going to jail. Okay, Miss Karen. Dad, you're going to jail. Stop it, you Mr. Officers. Guys, look, a bat! I found a bat! Bye.
What bad idea?
You're literally doing it, us. You're such a bad dad. Actor. How did you get there? My dad is a criminal. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Just whoa. That's amazing. What? Whoa. Older sis, what are you? Older sis, protect me, older sis. You're the older sis out there. Ah, protect me! He's right at the back.
Magot namin.
So,
Oo.
Tansurin mo.
Oo, nagpanakal ako.
Ako yung magulang.
Out there, come here. Wanna escape? After you're...
W? Where's W?
I don't know.
Wow.
Ah! I cannot even move! What is that? Ate, I need to go! Oh no. Ate, I'm gonna run out of health! Ate, I'm gonna run out of health! And they can come up! No! I died. Okay, let's go to another story. Ate, let's go to another story.
Join me.
Can we do the daycare story? This is about story, okay?
I hate it. I hate it. Close.
Airplane story. I think this is one, right? Oh no, I disconnected. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. And also,
Let's join her.
wait, I need to reset. I'm right here. Why am I so tall? And why are you so tall?
Leave room. Just leave room.
Ah! Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna join back up there. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, this is one, okay? Whatever. Just, it's one. It's one. No! What? Okay. We're at the... Hurry up, leave.
Sorry. You know you didn't get in, right?
You didn't say Yeah, I didn't get in. Whatever. Come on, let's go. Oh no. Here. Here.
Hey, come on. Bro, Nicole's lagging.
No, I'm not. I'm literally here at the back.
I can't see you. You're in the entrance over there.
No.
Okay, just never mind it. Never mind. Yeah, here.
Wait. 8-6. 8-6. 8-6.
F5.
Oh, this is mine? I'm 8-6. Let's go. I'm right here. Let's go. I'm 8-6. Yay. What are you, Ate?
I'm F5.
You're F5?
Here.
Right here. I'm 8-6.
I'm 8-5. Hi, Nicole.
Hi.
Here. I'm right over here at the front.
Same. You're at first class or no?
First class, yeah.
How about sec? I don't know. Feel free to explore. Yeah.
Actually, we are. I'm looking at the CCTV. No, please.
Lucky I don't have a TV.
My area. Third one.
You already
I
find
hope.
us.
I hope. I hope.
Oh no. It's taking off already?
Thank you for your cooperation.
Bro, what is this guy doing? Baby Spider-Man man never. What?
Hello, everyone. New members. The delivering delicious.
I want some Bloxy Colas, please. Hey, yo, this guy's kissing her. Look, hey, yo. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, why are you taller than me?
I'm allergic to mayo.
Who's allergic? Who's allergic? Is that a med kit? That's yours. Who's allergic? Hey, yo! Your seat is right there. My seat is right here.
Good afternoon, all passengers. This one. You are take back and take a nap. Enjoy your ride.
Oh my god, what is it now? No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm going beside you. Okay. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few okay, whatever hours or till. Ah! No, ate. I think there's snakes, no? There's snakes, right? Look at that guy. He's a online dater. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's right there. It's at the wing. Help me. Or those snakes. I knew it. I knew it. Thank you, Boo Shot. Where's the snakes, though? Where's the snakes? Can I even...
Look at the side of you.
What side? Where? This one! Okay. I know it, hey yo! I cannot even look. I'm at the sink. I need to pee. Where's the sink? Wow. Okay, we're back. No, I cannot. It's 6 right here. 8-6. Wait, where's the creature? Please don't tell me it's here. I want to sit beside you.
The good news.
I need 6, but I want to go beside you. I want to take you. Where's the oxygen? I thought we gotta fall. I have oxygen. Sorry, Spino. Ah! Ah, no. I hate this one. I hate this one. I literally hate this one. I literally hate this one. That's why I hate this one. Oh my god. What is that? What is that? What is... Where? No, please. Please. Boy, protect us. You're the only boy. You're the man.
Can you stop? Everyone, calm down. Start to cut the tables.
I literally saved my sandwich. Wait for me. Is it here? Oh, that's the exit. This one?
No.
Pair of scissors. Wow. This one. This one, I think. Oh no, why is it shaking? Where's my seat now?
No.
My seat is right here.
Wait, pause.
I said, hey, I'm on vacation. Hey, 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 I'm on vacation. I did look, I got my sandwich. I'm saving it. Wait, is this first class? Wow. I'm putting my sandwich and H6 in my inventory. I thought you're just leaving me.
Oh no! Look! Okay, that's back to you.
What are they doing? Captain! Wait, where's the man? Where's the man at there? Where's the man? Is it only two of us? Yup, it's only two of us. So, where is it? That check. What is it saying? Ah, run! We're two of us. That is not possible. Ah! No, no. You're the man, but I got the power. You make great, but I got the. You should know I'm the one that's in control. Oh no, the captain! Close the door! Captain, wake up! Oh no, the plane is falling. Danger! Click! Click every button! Autopilot. There's an autopilot. Is it here? Yes! It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Same! Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. You know where's the emergency phone? Okay. And also the airport fee. I'm sitting. Okay. Oh no, I'm busted.
Oh no, it's bad. It's bad.
I'm busted.
Ooh, ha, 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 ha.
I'm busted.
You're just
That's my username.
practice playing at the underworld was insanity.
Whatever. Will you crash the plane? I don't know. That's bad. What do you mean? I literally stretch at night. Yeah, at the stop at his head. Okay, good. Okay.
I watched it right here. It's gone. It's gone.
Wait, he said it was not the last time. You mean? Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Oh no. Oh, yes. Yeah. Victory, let's go. We survived it, guys. So, see ya soon. Bye. Bye, guys. Want to say anything, Ate?
Yeah, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye.
Share our channel and click the bell button. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.